All right, this is the best trading strategy to trade binary options on IQ option or perhaps to trade binary options on Codex. So, I'm going to show you some of my latest winning trades. Yeah, so this one was challenging, but the other ones were somehow easy. So please, if you have access to my course, if you are my student, please go back to chapter 5, episode 3. There is some update to the strategy I'm using. So the way I use MACD, there's some updates. Otherwise, if you are not, so let's open the first trade. So if you are not my student, and if you are interested in learning my trading strategy, you can do it through our course. The link is in the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com. Binarystrategycourse.com. So yeah, and otherwise, if you don't have money or if you are not interested in learning or taking our course, that's okay. Uh, you can learn trading from free videos on YouTube. There's plenty of free stuff that will teach you how to trade, how to detect uh, valuable signals. You can do it by yourself. You can research. So education and research is important when it comes to trading. So please focus on educating yourself before starting to trade with real money. Yeah. So remember, binary options can be risky sometimes. So let's take the first win. Great. So as you can see here, I'm trying to go from $10 into perhaps $1,000. Yeah, so this is the latest trade. It was simple, better than this one, but not yeah, better than this one also. Yeah, but not as clear as this one. This one was perfect. This one was a little bit challenging. This one was clear, right? Was clear. Even we had that small downtrend at the end, but that wasn't something um hard to predict, or wasn't a hard trend. All right, next let's go up again. As you can see, I'm using my trading strategy. This is the best trading strategy to trade binary options on Codex. Trust me. Um, Trading binary options, guys, before trading, you need to understand the nature of binary options before you trading it. You need to understand that it's a all or nothing outcome. So either you win or you lose. There is nothing in between. So it's a form of derivative trading where you predict whether an asset will go up or go down within a specified time frame, and and the outcome or the results is based on your prediction. So either you have a good strategy that help you to predict the direction of the market, or you are going to lose, even if not now, but later you are going to lose everything. Also, expiration time is important when it comes to binary options, because let's face it, binary options have a short-term expiration times, making it suitable for day trading and scalping strategies. So some people say that you can't use. Yeah, so let me just check my latest. This one, I don't know. Yeah, this one was clear. This one was easy and beautiful, but I'm not sure. The RSI was indicating something else. Yeah, RSI was indicating something else. That's okay. I guess that's okay. All right. So what I was saying is binary options, since it has short-term expiration times, you can use day trading and scalping. Even some people will say no, you can't use day trading with the binary options. But trust me, if you have a good strategy that is a good trading strategy that is used to day trade, that you use to day trade, you can also use it with binary options. All right, fast. Let's Let's go up because yeah, yeah, the market is going up. Yeah, that's it. That's binary options. Small capital, big risk. Yeah, so you can trade. Some platforms will even allow you to trade with $1, and that's crazy since there's a lot of risk when it comes to binary options. But yeah, sometimes if you have a good strategy, you can start with $1. In this case, I'm starting with $10, and yeah, binary options allows you or allows me as traders to start with small capitals, but the risk is high since a wrong prediction result in a total loss of all your capital or of all the investment amount of that trade. Hope this makes sense. Let me just check. This one is also just comparing. Just wait for me. Yeah, just comparing my latest trades. This was the last week. Yeah, beautiful. All right, let's put $375. Sorry, let's put $75 and let's go down. Let's put everything. I mean, I'm trying to put everything and trying to go from everything, risking everything and making the right decisions and show you that I trust my trading strategy. So if you are interested, you can take the course. Otherwise, develop your own strategy that you trust. That's my advice, guys. Even if I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only. Also, as you can see, I'm trading with 1 minute candlesticks. So focus on short time frames since you are trading binary options and it's short. So from 1 to 5 minute expiry maximum. I like to trade with 1 minute. You can trade with 5 minute expiration time. That's okay because and scalping or day trading in binary options, especially in binary options, involve quick trades with very short quick trades with very short expiration time. So 1 minute is very short. At the top of trading would take you like a month or two to trade. But if you are trading with 1 minute, this is very very short. So typically between 1 to 5 minutes, and this is in this case, you need fast market movements. So you need markets that have a lot of high volatility assets. So you need to focus on high volatility markets and assets as you'll be looking for small price movement to capitalize on within within short time frames. So look for markets that are dynamic. Oh, mm, that's okay. That's okay. I did not lose, and that's great. I didn't lose. As I was saying, choose liquid and volatile assets. The most common assets for binary options scalping are forex pairs like Euro USD and Pound USD. I don't trade binary options with cryptos. I don't like it. I trade crypto trading with cryptos, to be honest. But yeah, but forex pairs, their liquidity and frequent price fluctuation help binary options and help those trading binary options. Also, timing matters. So let's take yeah, timing matters. Um, this is I don't know. Let's see what we was dealing with previously. This one, this one, yeah, I was almost sure about this one, but I don't know. Yeah, this one was clear. Yeah, I don't know. So let's just keep it $200 there. Let's go down. Also, in using your strategy, technical indicators. I use Bollinger Bands, Parabolic SIR, RSI, MACD. In some cases, you will find me using stochastic RSI and stochastic oscillator and moving averages when I'm trading something other than binary options. If I'm trading binary options, that's it. I'm sticking with Bollinger Bands and and Parabolic SAR, RSI, and the yeah, MACD. These four indicators are enough for me, but with other type of trading, you find me using an extra uh, indicator or two. So develop a successful trading strategy or a day trading strategy with with IQ option or Codex. Most of the platform that allows binary option trading offers a lot of tools like different indicators. You will find these indicators for free. So, for example, Bollinger Bands is simply used to identify overbought and oversold conditions in the market. So you can use it to time quick reversals. Let me just take this one. I guess next it's going up. I guess it's going back up. Yeah, with $200. Oh, uh, I should have opened with more, with $300, but that's okay, $200. So as I was saying, Bollinger Bands use it to identify your overbought and oversold conditions in the market. So, for example, when the market hits or touches the upper band, there's a prediction that the market will go back down or bounce back down. And if the market is reaching the lower band, this means that the market there's possibility that the market will bounce up. I'm not using it this way. To be honest, I'm not using it this way. There's different way to use Bollinger Bands, especially when you are using it with RSI and MACD, and that's what is special with my trading strategy. Yeah, let's take this one. Yeah, so I guess next we should trade with $300, and I believe that yeah the market would is finding it hard, so it's going down. It's going down. $300. Let's go down. Yeah, so the sellers are somehow stronger. Also, RSI, the relative strength index, uh, it measures the strength of price movement, so it can help you identify also overbought and oversold conditions. Some people use it with the limits are 7 above and 30 below. I use it with 75 above and 30 or 25 below. So when the market goes over the 75% line, this means that the market is overbought and there's a potential reversal down. And when the market goes or the line goes below the 25%, so great. This means that there is a potential of reversal up. Let's open the last trade here. The market is going down, so hope that yeah, this makes sense, guys. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Please remember, binary option is risky, and I'm making these videos as a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money, since it's hard and risky. There is a lot of risk losing your capital and losing money that you can't afford. So please be careful. Trade on demo account, try different strategies, keep practicing and practicing and practicing. And perhaps with time, you will be experienced enough to trade with real money and make profit. I guess this is the last win. And yeah, as predicted. So we reached $1,081.53. Beautiful.